Hello, my name is Martha, and I'm one of the librarians at the Midpoint Library System. Today, I'll share with you some tips on using our new catalog. To begin, let's start by going to our website, www.midpointlibrary.org. From here, hover over Catalog and click on Search Catalog. Now let's do a simple search. Notice in the box that says, what are you looking for? This is where you enter the titles, author, or subject, also known here as concept. To the right of that box is another box that says everything. This is one area where you can refine your search to include only title, author, or concept. Today, I'm going to look for a book called The Four Winds by Kristen Hanna. When you click the Enter button and start your search, a new area opens on the left to refine your search further. So you'll see more about availability, where it's available, format, do you want ebook, book, audiobook, e-audiobook, and other things. And I noticed that as I scroll down, the book that I'm looking for is right here, The Four Winds, a novel by Kristen Hanna. Notice the tabs below the title that show all the formats of this particular book in one section. I am interested in the audiobook, so I'm going to click on the audiobook tab. And now that I see that it's checked out and I have 14 people waiting for the book ahead of me, I think maybe I'll see if I can find the book in print. And here it says book available. Call number fiction, HAN, Liberty Fast Reads Fiction. But I'm in the Middletown location, so I'd like to go see if Middletown has a copy available. So I click on Other Locations, Middletown, which opens up a new box. And as I scroll down, I can see that these are checked out. Somebody is waiting for that one on hold shelf. But there's one with a green dot that says check shelf. It's in the Middletown Fast Read Fiction area. So I can just stop by and pick that up. Now, if you click on Edition Information, you'll also get a little short description of what the book is about, in addition to the tabs that tell you where the book is, if it's available or not. You can also see, if you scroll down a little more information. Its publication date was 2021, who the publisher is, how many pages, that sort of thing. But underneath all of that, you'll see related resources. For example, other books by Kristen Hanna or related authors, people who write like her. You'll see a New York Times bestseller list. You'll also see some topics that may be related. So, for example, here's man-woman relationships in fiction, country life fiction, and you can see other topics that relate to this book as well down here. Now, at the bottom of every page, in case you prefer it, you can click on Classic Catalog, and that will take you to the catalog that we've had in the past. I'm going to close that and go back and look up here at the very top where it says Login. On the very top right-hand side, it says Login. So if I needed to check my account or put something on hold, I could log in right here, and it says to sign in. So I'm going to use my Midpoint Library card number and sign in with my card number and my PIN number. Now, to view what's on my account, there are several ways. I can click on my name. Right now I'm using a programming account, so it doesn't have a name, but you click on your name, you can see what checkouts you have. Now when you click on that, it opens up my bookshelf, which is always at the bottom of the page. I can get my holds from here too, and it clicks over to this in there. Or if I wanted to see what it looked like otherwise, it's always, like I said, at the very bottom of the page. Right down here, the very bottom banner in the darkest of blue and a little bit of a lighter blue, it says My Bookshelf. You can always check on that, click there. And yet another way to close that, I'm going to use the V in the corner on the right. And another way to open that is the little upside down V in the right hand corner, makes it bigger as well. Now, if you would like to see a little bit more of your account, maybe you have a lot more checked out than I do, you may want to place your cursor right where the blue line, the really dark blue line, meets the lighter color. You'll get a two-sided arrow, and if you click on that and hold your mouse button down, you can raise that up so that you can see further what you have. From here, you can click on your checkouts, your holds, and your finds and feeds. Now I'm going to click the downward facing arrow here, the V, to lower that again. Now we've noticed that unfortunately Search Ohio items do not display on the bookshelf with the title and the library card number, or the barcode number, I'm sorry. But to check your Search Ohio item titles, you can either use the My Library app on your smartphone, or again, go to the classic catalog on your computer and sign in on that for details. So I'm going to close out of here. I'm going to sign out of my account now. And you'll notice that classic catalog is right up here as well. Well, we hope you have fun exploring our new catalog, and we look forward to seeing you at the library very soon. Take care.